Hey everybody, here's something I wanted to show you. It's not quite an antique radio, but it's not even an antique just yet, but it's a 1987 Commodore Amiga 2000 personal computer. And someone at my church gave it to me, and I fixed a whole bunch of stuff on it, and it's been fixed for a while, and I did been meaning to make a video of it, but so here we go. But anyway, here's the keyboard. The J key's missing, but I do have the key, but the plastic support that goes onto this nub part is gone, so I don't know what I'm going to do about that. And there's the mouse. So it has a operating system a lot like modern computers, you know, icons and stuff. You can, you know, drag them around and whatever. And this is really nice because most computers of this era did not, you know, have a real operating system, just a text-based thing. But anyway, on here there's some games and stuff, and maybe I'll show you some of those later. And then it's got some really good music on it. The only problem with the music is that I discovered that it's missing some music directories, but they actually are stored on a hard drive, but there's no assign for them. But basically what it means is that if the computer asks for a certain sound file, it can't find it because it doesn't know where to look. And that's what this code does. I have to type this in every time I boot it up because for some reason it won't save this. So just bear with me while I type this in. See it typing in up there. See, ST15 is one of the music files or folders. R0. Alright, we'll see if that looks alright. And I fix this. There doesn't need to be a space there. Okay, that looks good. So, enter. And then I copy it, and then I can type in, I can replace 15 with 16, 16 with 17, 17 with 18, and so on until I get to 20. God damn. Okay, and so now we can show you some music here, and it's called Noise Tracker. And so basically, you just go here and find a sound file or music thing you want to play, like this, Hallucinations. So we'll pick something else here. Kind of neat. Alright, let's see what's over here. This one ain't doing much here. Let's see. Fast forward a little bit. Let's try that one. That's pretty cool. Let's try this. This is a pretty good one here. Anyway, I think that music's pretty cool stuff. So, anyway, there's some pictures and stuff on here. Wait, not there. Here. Oh, and this thing right here, this AE Explorer, or A Explorer actually. This allows you to plug up a PC to this computer using a serial cable. And then you can write whatever you want to a floppy disk. And right here I've got a 4D racing game. It's not exactly 4D, but it's more 3D. And then here I've got a flight simulator. This is pretty cool. Maybe I'll do a separate video on the games. I don't know. Alright. Anyway, right here, here's some graphics. There's a guitar. And then, let's see, one of these, this is a wireframe of a candlestick and a teapot. Maybe I'll do some more videos on this thing. Let me know if you want to see that stuff, games and maybe some more music videos. But thanks for watching. Bye.